So this is how you can zoom in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome to another CapCut guide. Today, you will learn how to zoom in and out in your clips in CapCut. So let's get started by dragging down our clip. And by the way, you can tap on import to add clips here. Now, this is our clip. As you can see, there are four corners right here, and you can just simply hold on one of them and then drag. As you can see, it can zoom in and zoom out. You can even change the position by holding them and then doing this. But if you want an even more precise movement, you can just change the measurements here, and there you go. You can add one, you can add two, or you can just simply tap on the arrow here. By clicking it over and over, you can gradually add more and more scale, or just lower it. You can also change the position, let's say 50. If I add more, it's going to change the measurement of the X position and the Y position. The X position is when you move it side by side, and the Y position is if you move it up and down. As you can see, it changed. Let me move it up, and it changes again. And you can even rotate it by however much you want. But basically, to zoom in and zoom out, just simply get on the four corners or get on this scale thing right here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.